been promised PCP that I would do. Prissy P. I said PCP. Prissy P. So I'm supposed to eat an apple in three apples in 3 minutes challenge. So here's my 3 apples. As you can see, I forgot what kind of apples they are, but I'm about to get it started. So I'm gonna get my timer set up and then I'm gonna start. Tell me when to go.
3, 2, 1. You're done.
That was in 3 minutes.
You said 3? Oh shoot, my bad. So I do it again? Yeah, I do it one more time.
1 minute's up, guys.
Minutes are up.
2 minutes is up, guys. 2 minutes. I got 1 minute left. 47 seconds. I didn't make it. This is what I got. I didn't make the challenge. Oh well. I tried my best. Yeah, the apples was good. But that, being able to get all the apple in your mouth, I wasn't able to do that. So, I failed the challenge. As you can see, I did at least get to 2. I'm just going to eat it because I'm not going to waste it. But y'all saw it in real time. I got 2 now. And I at least started my 3rd one. So, I did my best. I failed the challenge. Ooh. I didn't want to fail. I didn't want to win. I wanted to win this thing. But, as usual, guys, hey, my QTs, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Share this video with any and everyone you know. And if you down with the apple challenge, I say, hey, hit me up. Post it to my page so I can see if you did the challenge and if you can make it. If you can eat 3, and these were small apples, 3 small apples in a minute, in 3 minutes. Let me see what you got. I'll challenge you. All my QTs out there. Now I'm coughing. Go ahead. Like, share, subscribe. Share this video with any and everyone you know. Let them know what your girl is on out here. On this challenge level. There's going to be more challenges to come. I got a couple more that I got in store. So I'm going to hit you when I get to them. And I'm going to get these videos out. I hope you enjoy your weekend. See you next time. Peace.